Welcome back. Let's talk for 1 minute about a really important small business term, return on investment, or ROI. Now, there's a lot of ways to measure return on investment. You might hear people talking about return on equity, return on invested capital, cash on cash return, or return of invested cash. All of them are profitability measures. So they're all related. They're all very much the same. They all look at how much profit am I getting back from an investment that I made before. And in general, you want to measure profit on an annual basis. So the ROI of a $10 investment that pays back $20 of profit per year is a 200% ROI. Same with return on equity. If you have $10 of equity in your business, but it generates $20 of profit a year, that's a 200% ROE, return on equity. And here's the fun thing. A small business can reach an ROIC, return on invested cash, of how much? 150%. A well-run small business can have an ROI of 150% every year. Think about that, and let's talk again soon.